What's your take on Europe? How are they handling the macro right now?
So I think Europe is in for some pain, and they know it. So I was watching the ECB press conference after they hiked rates. I was watching Christine Lagarde, and she was very clear. She knows that, European industries are interest rate sensitive. They're sensitive to, energy prices as well. And we know energy prices are going up. And she made it very clear that, there will be some slowdown in growth. And we've seen that with Europe. So they're barely above the 0% mark where the Eurozone is concerned. Germany is at zero. France is growing its debt. They got downgraded as well. So I think Europe is still a place to be cautious. This time earnings are coming out a little depressed as well. Not as great as last quarter. Banks are doing fine, obviously, because of the higher interest rate. But companies, industrials, they are suffering a little bit. Having said that, I think if we could see a point where this actually takes these companies down, so we might have some great buying opportunities in LVMH, in Mercedes, Rolls-Royce, so some solid companies in Europe, right? Airbus, and I think, that would be a good time to buy.
I agree, Aisha. It's interesting to see, you mentioned a lot of those German automakers, how much they have embraced electric vehicles and are rolling out their next
Mhm.
generation EV lines. We've seen $500 billion of capital commitments already from all the automakers. A lot from Tesla,
Wow.
but certainly a lot from those European companies that you mentioned there too.